No, thank you.
Okay. Well, this is our traffic stop right now, so I'm just gonna ask you to.
Thank you. She just asked me to leave.
Do you know this person?
Since you're making contact with me, could you identify your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Alvy.
And your badge number, please?
I don't even know why you're here right now.
I asked you a direct question. Do you have your badge number on
And
you?
I asked you to leave because right now you're not allowed to be on our traffic stop.
Ma'am, if you're refusing to identify your badge number, it might result in a complaint with your department.
Okay, I understand that. My badge number is 639.
Thank you very much.
But I've asked you a question.
At this time, it's not consensual. Thank you.
You're on my traffic stop.
Ma'am, I'm an appropriate distance from your traffic stop. Please go back to work.
Okay, but if something were to
Ma'am,
happen
go back
and
to
you
work.
get harmed,
Go back to work.
then that would fall in our department.
You're a idiot liar.
Okay.
Now do your job. How you doing, man?
Just so you know, you have the right to record and everything. We just need you a little further away from the scene.
Do you remember what the Supreme Court ruled as far as the distance?
Do you remember what it was?
You don't know?
Well, anything that we deem as unsafe.
Okay, that's false. Have a good day, sir.
Okay. Well, I will make sure to research that information.
Thank you, sir. I have the answer, by the way.
But just know if you get too close to a scene, you can't be arrested.
Hey, man, they would have arrested me already, man. Have a good one.
I'm just letting you know.
Have a good one. Have a good one. One strike. They don't like you to record. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they had a 5th car here as well, but that one left.
Kind of place here. You from Dev? Okay, cool. That's cool. You report a lot of traffic stops?
What's your name and your badge number? Just answer it, man.
I don't have to, but I will because
It's your policy.
it's actually not our policy.
It's not?
No, it's not.
You don't think it's professional to identify to
I'm going
people?
to.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is Officer Love.
Love?
Yeah, my badge number is right there, 619.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Not that you needed to do that. I mean, the only level of the
Hey, man, just show some professionalism. We'll all be good, all right? Thank you.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you, man. What's your name? Well, I have to talk to you, but you don't have to talk to me. Okay? Seems fair.
Yeah, it's been a long while. You just giving them a warning?
Huh?
You just giving them a warning?
Well, technically, I can. When you drive with a suspended license, but I'm not going to take him to jail for it. Just give him a ticket. That way he can go to the court.
Well, we appreciate that, man. We appreciate that. We don't need more of our people in these jails. How long has he been sitting here?
Well, the situation that we ran into is that I forgot that in my vehicle, I don't have a working printer. So we ran into a scenario where I got to find I tried to send it to her. Her printer's not working, so now I got to try to send it to her. So the courier can get this printed out. The quick ink is gone. I just don't have a working printer right now, so it's not being prolonged. I just don't have a working printer.
Okay, cool.
Looks like he's coming back with it right now, though, so we can get.
You know, in this day and age, we gotta appreciate citizens recording police in their interactions, right? Cool.
You get back on the sidewalk, please.
Is this, what is this?
This is a road. Okay. Do you have no business being that close to the officer while he's conducting a traffic
Gosh, it's
stop?
done. The traffic stop is done. The traffic stop is done.
You're fine on the side.
Shut up. Is this traffic stop over?
That police officer back in his car yet?
I'm asking you a question.
I asked you a question.
He's pulling off. Is it over? You said it's the police officer going back in his car. That doesn't have anything to do with this guy leaving and the traffic stop being over. Thank you. Have a good day. Get back to work. Thank you. This guy, man. This is one of the tyrants out here. This guy. And make sure we always report the police because they don't like it at all.
When a police officer tries to stop a citizen from filming their traffic stop, it is a violation of the First Amendment right to freedom of press. There are several reasons why it's important for citizens to be able to film police officers on traffic stops. First, filming a traffic stop can help deter police misconduct. When officers know that they are being watched, they are less likely to engage in illegal or unethical behavior. Second, filming can help hold police officers accountable. If an officer does something wrong, video footage can be used to prove it. And third, filming can help to build trust between the community and law enforcement officers. When citizens feel like they can hold police officers accountable, they are more likely to cooperate. In the case Wilson v. Lane, a federal appeals court ruled that police officers could not use a warrant to seize videotapes of a traffic stop that had been filmed by a bystander. This is real important because officers will try to intimidate you and say, we're going to seize your video camera because we need this as evidence. So cases like this are super important because it shows the courts are increasingly recognizing the rights of citizens to film police officers. Let's continue.
Hey, sir. Can I have your information?
You can't.
Say again?
You can't. Please back up for me.
Can I have your information, sir?
You can't. What's your name and badge number, sir?
Officer Royals, 150. May I have your name?
I'm going to step back just a little bit and just to let y'all know y'all are being live streamed on the internet. But I'm going to step back. What's your badge?
So what's your
badge
name,
number?
sir? I gave you my name. What's your name?
I don't answer questions.
You're going to answer my question. What's your name?
I don't answer
You're
questions.
filming an investigation that's going on.
Okay, well, I am in public property. I have every right to film.
Okay, I just want to identify who you are.
Am I under arrest?
No, you're not.
Am I being detained?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. What's your name and badge number, sir?
I'm Officer Lopez.
Uh,
Badge number is 162.
And what's your badge
Hey, I'm
number?
Corporal Wall, 137.
All right.
So what brings you to the PD today?
excuse me, sir. I'm going to talk to this deputy.
Okay. Please
What
don't.
brings you to the PD today?
I'm just going to walk back.
Do you
'cause
shake hands?
I don't.
You don't shake hands?
I don't.
Okay, so what brings you over here to
I'm
the
gonna
PD
step
today?
back at least
Okay.
5 feet. Please don't
Okay,
step
go
towards
ahead.
me. Thank you. Just so I can get camera angle and stuff for my safety.
Okay. So what brings you up here today?
So you're gonna continue to step towards me.
I am.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna step back again
Okay.
and just let y'all know y'all are being streamed on the internet.
That's wonderful. As ugly as I am, that's probably not really
Well, I mean, you know. But yeah, man, I'm just out here taking pictures of
Sure.
filming in public. It's not a crime. It's not a law. I'm not breaking any laws.
Sure.
And I'm just out here.
Just asking you what you're interested in the Winder Police Department and what we're doing is.
Maybe you'll see it online. Maybe you won't.
I mean,
So.
that's fine.
Yep, I'm an independent journalist just gathering content for a story, and
Sure.
y'all guys are being,
Well, if you're a journalist, then the only person that can release information on behalf of our agency is the public information officer.
okay. Well, I don't think I need to speak with her unless I need to gather some more information, but I don't think I do. But, you know, you guys did kind of walk up pretty hard on me
Sure.
for filming in public, which is not a crime, and I am on public property, so I'm not trespassing, and I have every right. It's my First Amendment right to record anything that I can see. Eyes cannot be trespassed. So I can record, I can film, I can do anything I want to on public property.
Okay.
It's the law.
Sure.
And you took an oath.
You seem like you feel like somebody doesn't want you filming.
Well, I mean, how you
there's a problem there.
guys walked up on
Is there
me,
a
and then how
problem?
you continue to walk up on me after I asked you, just for my safety,
Gotcha.
if I could take a foot back, and you guys, you walked out pretty hard, like, and then that officer there, I don't have to give him my name unless I've been suspected of a crime.
Okay.
So I don't have to do either of that things. I just want to be left alone
I got you.
and filmed and get the heck out of here, man.
I got you. Can we step over there and talk
For?
without the camera on?
No, sir.
We can't?
No.
Okay. Gotcha.
No, we can't. I'm sorry.
There's other citizens here.
Well, that's fine. They have no expectation of privacy in public, sir.
Gotcha.
I mean, if they want privacy, they should probably stay at home.
They stay at home?
I mean,
Gotcha.
I'm sure you guys answer calls all over the city of Winder, so.
Okay. You must like me.
I don't, but I have to keep the camera on you.
Swear up on me.
No, I just have to keep
I
the
look good
camera.
today?
No, I had to keep the camera on you because, for my safety.
Sure. Now, let me step over here.
Y'all are kind of dangerous.
Okay.
At times, anyway.
You seem like you're upset about something.
I am perfectly fine, sir.
Okay. You seem like you have some sort of frustration with law enforcement or
Zero.
that you're upset.
Zero, sir.
Okay. That's good.
I have no weapons. I have nothing illegal. I have zero things on me. I am just here exercising my First Amendment right to see if I can record in public and if y'all respect me recording in public.
I got you.
So, I mean, like I said, y'all walked up on me pretty strong and hard like I was breaking some type of law and asked for my ID, which y'all are not going to get my ID.
I got you. All right, we're all going to go inside.
All right.
Shake hands?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
All
Happy
right.
New Year, sir.
You too.
So this encounter could have went a lot different if Georgia Guardian didn't know his rights. That's why it's super important for us citizens to know our constitutional rights, because police officers will take advantage of you and violate your rights if you don't know them. The Constitution of the United States guarantees certain rights to all citizens, including the right to freedom of press. Remember, police officers are sworn to uphold the Constitution, but most of the time they forget that. So it's vital that we remind them every chance we get. Unfortunately, if you don't know your rights, you're more likely to have a police officer violate your rights. For example, the first thing this cop says is, "Let me have your information." And if you're not ready for that question, you're going to buckle and not know the right things to say, and the cop will sense that and take full advantage of it. So let's study channels like Georgia Guardian so we can learn our rights and be equipped and ready when it's time. So thank you, and big shout out to you, Georgia Guardian, and all the freedom fighters that's out here fighting a good fight. Let's continue.
Do you have your information? Your driver's license?
What's that?
Do you have your driver's license or name, date of birth?
For what?
Because now you're a witness to this crime that we're doing.
What crime is that?
The crime that we got these people in the back of these cars for.
I don't know what crime they committed.
You don't have to know.
But how do I know what they did, though? I don't know what they did.
Okay, they broke the law. They're in possession of narcotics. That's why they're in the back of our cars.
Okay, now you're telling me that, okay?
Yeah. So, do you have your name and date of birth?
No.
Or a driver's license?
No.
So you're going to refuse to be listed as a witness since you sat here and videotaped the entire scene?
If you need a copy of the video, I can give you a copy of the video.
Well, yeah, but we're also going to need to identify you in our report that you were here videoing, so when we come to get a copy of that video, we can get that.
All right, let me talk to your supervisor.
He said that he won't want to give us his name and date of birth until he talks to our supervisor. So.
And you're probably going to end up going to jail because right now you're witnessing a crime.
Well, I asked to talk to a supervisor. He's here, so why can't I speak with him?
Because you're refusing to give your information, you'll be going to jail for failure to identify as you're a witness to a crime.
So I need to give you my ID to speak to your supervisor? Is that what you're telling me?
No.
Okay, I need to speak to your supervisor.
Why do you need to speak to the supervisor?
Because I requested to speak to him.
What warrants that?
Because I requested to speak to him and he's here.
Okay. So what's your point?
He's here, I need to speak with him.
You've got no part of the scene, right? But you want to speak to our supervisor.
You can speak to him.
Okay.
Yeah, but you'll be in handcuffs and it'll be at the jail. Is that what you want to do?
I need to speak to your supervisor.
Is that what you want to do?
I need to speak to your supervisor.
Why aren't you understanding? You put yourself in this situation right here. You see that? You're on private property
Private
right now.
or public?
You're on private property right now.
Okay, what does that have to do with anything?
Do you have permission to be here?
Did the owner trespass me?
Well, this guy...
He doesn't want you here.
This guy actually did come over and tell us he wanted you to leave.
That guy right there?
So,
What's his name?
so what's your point?
What's the guy's name that don't want me here?
So do you want to identify yourself so we can list you as a witness to this crime, or?
I'm just asking a simple question. The guy that you just talked to, he doesn't want me here.
Yes.
So is he
Would you like
trespassing?
for me to go ask him to tell you to leave himself?
Do you already have that notice?
Yes, he told us when he came over here and gave me his business
Then why do you
card.
have to go ask him then?
If you would like for him to tell you himself.
He can tell me whatever he needs to do.
If
he needs to tell me to leave, I'll leave. Simple as that. He needs to give me a warning before you can trespass me.
Well, now until you identify yourself, now you're forced to not leave.
All right, I need to speak to your supervisor.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Don't worry about it. You'll get it in a minute.
What's up, Buck? You guys got the same nameplates?
Yeah, Deputy Chelly, 315.
You like that? You got
Same
the same nameplates?
Yeah.
Same person or?
Yeah, we're the same person.
We're all one.
He's the same person as me. There's obviously two of us standing here, but we're the same people.
All right, must be twins or something.
Yep.
Very well could be. So why'd you come over here?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
I don't.
So you just like coming and getting in the middle of crime scenes and filming them? I mean, it probably would have been a good idea to keep walking today.
Where'd you come from?
That's not relevant.
It's not relevant?
No, it's not.
So you just...
How do we know you didn't get out of this vehicle? Go behind and you're with them and you walked over.
Did you just really ask me that?
Did I seriously just ask you that?
Is that a serious question?
Yeah, it actually is a serious question. Why would you randomly walk up to this and then fail to identify
I
yourself?
already told your supervisor what I do. I'm a
I
journalist.
really don't care what you do. It doesn't matter.
So, you have a question?
No, I'm just waiting on this business card and I'm out of here. That's it.
I gave you my name and badge number.
I asked for a business card. You said you were
I
going
told
to
you I don't have one.
You didn't have to give me
We all
a
don't have
business
any, man.
card.
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
My name is Cameron Chelly and my badge number is 315.
Okay, thank you.
For,
All right, now, like I said, I already told you, I'm a journalist. I gather content for stories. That's
fine.
it.
We had no problem with that, man. We just don't like the space. I don't know, everybody, I mean, CNN could come down here and prop it. We wouldn't tell them to leave. I mean, there's no difference just because you have a smaller camera. I don't care.
Right.
Just be careful where you go, okay? That's
Right.
that's what we're trying to get at.
That's fine.
I have no problem you videotaping. There's no issue. We don't do anything wrong.
And that's what I told you earlier. I didn't have a problem with you videotaping.
Now, Sarge, am I free to go or am I being detained?
Not until you give your name and date of birth.
Hey, PB.
Are you going to give me your name and date of birth or not?
I'm talking to your sergeant right now.
He's not talking to you. He's on the phone.
I'm not talking to you either. I'm talking to your sergeant.
It doesn't matter. Guess what? We both have the same job.
He's a
We'll
higher
identify
rank than
one
you.
way or another.
He's a higher rank than you. That's why I speak. This is who I asked to speak with. He's here, so that's
great.
who I'm speaking with.
That's great.
Okay.
But I made contact with you before he did.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
I'm not sure you're really versed in the law good enough in the fact that you're failing to ID.
On request
You
by
will
any
ID
police
or you
officer.
will not leave here.
I'm talking to you.
unless you're
I'm talking
back
to your
in the car.
supervisor right now.
What'd you say your first name was
talking
again?
to a supervisor.
What?
What'd you say your first name was again? If you told him, I just forgot it. Because I would like to address you by first name.
You can address me by sir,
Okay.
Mr., whatever the case may
So
be.
earlier when I spoke to you and I asked you to move back and you refused, did I not tell you that it was okay to film us? And I encouraged you to keep filming us.
I didn't say you didn't.
Okay,
Nobody has a problem with you filming.
Obviously, y'all guys are like right up in my
face.
face right now.
Because you
I'm
injected
not up in your
yourself into
face.
this
If
crime
I were
scene.
up in your face, then you would know.
You need anything from him? You good?
I'm good.
Do you want to make the move? Okay. Can you try and identify him for us?
Yeah. All right. Let's go here.
Okay.
Argument. You're not doing anything wrong, and but here's the deal. They got a point there. I mean, your worst case scenario is that your camera would be a part of evidence, but we're not going to go there because I have a camera. I have plenty of cameras going, so I don't need your camera. Now, I don't think I need your video, man. I'll be honest with you. I got plenty of video rolling, but I'm just telling you, the worst case scenario, if something were major, yeah, we would need as much as we could.
Okay.
I mean, so just be careful with when you get into whatever you're doing. I know this is not the first time; it's going to be the last time. Hey, man, be careful.
Wow, these deputies are the definition of tyrants. They were so sure that the Potosi was going to ID or go to jail. It's evident that they violate individuals' rights all day and every day they're on the clock. By the way, there is a follow-up video which the Batosa issued formal complaints on these two deputies. The supervisor was not the best, but overall he sent his guard dogs to the cage. The officers claimed that the Batosa was on private property, but keep in mind, if that is the case, the person in charge of the property will have to personally ask the individual to leave the property, which never happened. Law enforcement officers are allowed and encouraged to allow the individuals to control the encounter and most likely to intimidate you from doing something that they cannot lawfully stop. In the United States, citizens have the First Amendment right to record law enforcement officers performing their duties, so threatening someone with arrest for simply exercising their right to film is a violation of that First Amendment right. Additionally, trying to coerce someone to give ID without a reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime is an infringement on their Fourth Amendment right, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Officers need a valid reason to demand identification, not just because they need to put your name on the report. Remember, the Batosa was in a similar situation like this before, which gave birth to Turner v. Driver, which is case law. There was a significant victory for the First Amendment and recording law enforcement during their course of duties. Let's continue.
What's your name, sir?
Who are you?
I'm sorry?
That's not the way this goes. Who are you?
I'm Sergeant Barry Ensign, Fort Wayne Police Department. How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
I didn't give it.
I know. I want to know what your name is.
I don't care what you want.
Well,
that's not the policy.
The Secret Service.
I don't care.
Us to identify
then why
who you are.
don't they come out here and talk to me?
They will in a moment.
Okay, go ahead. Am I being detained?
What's your name?
Am I being detained?
What is your name?
Am I being detained?
What is your
I'm
name?
gonna assume no.
What's that?
I'm gonna say, hey, don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Public servant, don't touch. Look, public servant, you don't touch me. You don't touch me.
Or else what?
You don't touch me.
Or else what?
I will file a complaint.
You can file a complaint.
Don't
but
touch
I'm
me.
going to identify you.
You're being live streamed. Nope.
All right, stop.
No. Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
Am I being detained?
Identify who you are.
That's not the way this goes.
Well, I don't care what you think.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I'm not.
Sir,
no.
The Secret Service has.
I don't care.
To identify.
I don't care what they want.
Okay.
That's not the way this goes.
I understand that.
Show me the law.
Okay, I understand that.
Show me what have I broken?
What is your
What
name?
law have I broken?
Okay. We have
what
to have a
law have I broken?
The arrival of the President of the United
It doesn't even close until 3 o'clock.
I understand that.
Or do you understand that?
What's your name?
Do you understand that?
What's your name?
What is your badge number?
1647.
I'm going to file a complaint with Officer Reed.
That's okay.
And your Internal Affairs Department.
That's okay.
You don't touch me.
Okay. I did not touch you.
Yes, you did. I have it all live streamed between 3 cameras.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Not to mention the other ones that are watching you right now.
Okay.
Don't touch me. You have no right.
Why won't you give your name?
I have no business to give you my name.
Okay.
I haven't what ordinance have I broken?
What's your name?
What ordinance have I broken?
What is your name, sir?
Have I committed a misdemeanor?
What is your name?
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are.
For under what probable cause?
Okay.
What is your RAS? Your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I've committed a crime.
You have your face covered.
It's cold outside. I have gloves on. It's cold outside.
You don't have your gloves on.
I can't operate the camera.
You don't have a glove
I've
on
been
your
doing this and sticking it inside my jacket.
Well, you have it's so cold.
I've been alternating. It takes video as well as pictures. I can alternate between them.
Someone reach out to 600 on TAC 9 advising the subject is refusing to.
I'm not refusing the ID. I'm saying I haven't broken the law.
He is not complying with our request for ID.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
Under what probable cause?
The Secret Service is
under what probable cause? I haven't committed a crime. I haven't. It doesn't matter. You have to. If you have to detain me, then I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
What am I being detained for?
Is that your name?
What am I being detained for? What am I being detained for?
The Secret Service has cleared you.
What am I being detained for? What's your name, officer?
Wants to identify you.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Detective Tagmeyer.
What is your badge number, sir?
1574.
Thank you.
What is your name, sir?
What reasonable articulable suspicion?
We'll see if it's the same thing.
Why don't you get the chief down here?
Chief's busy.
Well, tell Mr. Reed to come down here. He knows who I am. Tell the chief to come here.
600, 620.
Tell the chief to come here.
Let the Secret Service know that the subject is failing to identify.
I'm not failing to ID.
Refusing to identify.
I'm not under 34125, 3.5. That's not it. It's not failure to ID. You haven't told me what crime I've committed.
Okay, just a second.
I don't want.
No, they're talking in my ear. You're not going anywhere.
Don't touch me.
You're not going anywhere.
Why am I being detained? Why am I being detained? You haven't given me probable cause for me to be detained.
Just a second. I don't need probable cause.
Yes, you do. No. You need reasonable article of suspicion.
That's right.
Yes. What is it?
That's not.
What is it?
Reasonable.
What crime have I committed? Of what crime?
Right now, we're
of
not
what
sure.
crime?
That's why we're talking.
You can't hold me for you're not sure.
Sure we can.
No, you cannot.
It's called a Terry stop.
No, then Terry frisk me.
I don't need to frisk you right now.
Okay. Don't reach in my pockets. That's not part of the Terry frisk.
Unless I feel something that could be contraband or a weapon, then I can.
No, you can't.
Sure I can.
That's not a Terry stop.
Sure it is.
Nope. It's a cursory search.
All right.
How dumb do you think the public is?
I don't think they're dumb at all.
Yeah, I've got 3 officers here.
I think they're antagonistic.
Yeah, 3 officers. I'm out here taking video and pictures. Where's the crime in that?
We're just following.
Where is the crime in that? Then tell them to either come out here, and I'll tell them the same thing I'm telling you.
They're on their way, sir. That camera has 42 power zoom lens. You couldn't have got your pictures across the street.
I can get them from right here. It's the same public sidewalk.
You could get them from over there. Just
so I could get them from Google Earth, but I didn't. I got them from over there. That's not a crime. It's not a crime.
It certainly raises suspicion.
It doesn't matter if it raises suspicion. It's not a crime.
It certainly does.
No, it doesn't. It's not a crime. It's not. It's suspicious activity. Is that a misdemeanor or felony, sir?
Suspicious activity.
Misdemeanor or felony?
It's neither.
That's right. It's neither. So I haven't committed a crime.
No, but that doesn't mean we can't talk to you.
Yeah. Well, you can't detain me. That's the thing.
What's the Secret Service advising?
You don't detain citizens. You don't touch them. You don't touch them.
What's that?
You don't touch citizens.
I couldn't hear you.
Don't get any closer to me.
Or else what?
You're invading my personal space.
Or else what?
What do you think is going to happen?
You tell me.
You tell me. You're the one who wants to lean in like you want to kiss me.
Entrance number 4.
And the only thing I can do is go backward into traffic. So
Okay,
if you're trying, what do you think I was trying to do? Tell you to be Johnny on the spot and move over here. Until you try to be Johnny on the spot and prevent me from coming away from the street. You're not serving and protecting. Did you take an oath?
Go out to,
did you take an oath to protect
entrances where
the United States citizens? Did you take an oath? Sir, I'm talking to you. Did you take an oath?
Just a second.
Did you take? I don't care what you're doing. Did you take an oath? I'm talking to you, public servant. I'm talking to you, public servant. Did you take an oath? Did you take an oath?
I did.
To uphold the Constitution.
I did.
This is a First Amendment protected activity. So why don't you get back in your car and get back to your job? This is not your job.
Just a second.
Don't do that to me. You keep leaning in like you can't hear. So I'm speaking up for you.
Here,
so I have 2. I have 2.
Okay.
So what?
I'm not hearing you over this loud, guys. So yeah, just come to entrance 4 off of Parnell. Secret Service.
I don't want to get pushed in the street.
Do you feel better here?
I'm not going to be pushed in the street by you.
Do you feel better here?
Are you not going to lean in and try to kiss me?
Do you feel better here?
Are you going to not lean in and try to kiss me? Because that'll make me feel better.
I couldn't hear you. Secret Service is coming. Just relax. As soon as the Secret Service clears you and then clears that you're no threat to the President of the United States, then you can...
I'm trying to be out of here before 3 o'clock, before the road closes, so I can get my car out of here. Do you want me to stay all night?
No.
Do you want me to get video all night?
Oh, heavens no.
Then let me go per your instructions.
Just a second.
What crime have I committed?
Okay.
What crime have I committed? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're being detained until the Secret Service clears you.
What reasonable articulable suspicion do you have? You can't do that. You have to have reasonable articulable suspicion. What crime have I committed?
That's what we're going to do.
What crime have I committed?
That's what we're going to do.
What crime have I committed?
It's a broken record. It's going over and over.
No, well, because I need to know.
Okay.
You can't articulate a crime. Why don't you just get the chief out here? He'll clear it up.
No, he won't.
Yes, he will.
No, he has tasked us to deal with this.
Well, you go ask him to come here.
No, he's busy right now.
I'll identify to the chief.
Okay.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Officer Adam Hartman, 1896 Fort Wayne Police Department.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for being professional. Unlike these guys who have illegally detained me. And this guy decided he wanted to put his hands on me. Can you do something about that?
Well, he's a sergeant.
It doesn't matter. Can you please arrest this man?
I'm not.
Well, I am going to file a complaint, but that is not it. Can you arrest this man for illegally touching me?
No, I haven't witnessed any crime.
I'll show you. I'll show you the crime. It's being live streamed as we speak. You don't touch citizens, sir, who've done nothing wrong. You don't touch them. Do you hear me? Do you understand? I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, I just got advised by...
No shit.
Listen, there's no need to swear.
Yeah, yes there is, because you can't illegally detain me. You are illegally detaining me.
You allowed to multiple...
You are, yeah, well, you said you can't hear. You said you can't hear. I'm obliging you.
Right.
Can you hear now?
I can hear now. Listen, these are your options. Okay? Okay.
I'm not wanting to hear, am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Are you going to allow me to speak?
Am I being detained? Once you answer my question.
Yes, I'm going to give you what your options are.
I don't care what my options are. I have a right to leave. Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go? I heard the same thing you did. Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're being detained.
Under what suspicion of crime? I don't need to hear your lip. Am I being detained or am I free to go? That's the only thing that matters.
Has been secured and rented by...
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
If you
am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained? Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you understand?
Am I being detained or am I free to go, sir?
Your refusal to leave will
am I being detained or am I free to go? Do you need me to go ahead and sign language it? Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Do you know how to sign?
Do you want me to say it in Spanish or French? Am I being detained or am I free to go? Which one?
Entiende?
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Okay.
Am I being detained or am I free to go? Am I being detained?
If you understand
am I free to go? Am I being detained?
You are free to go.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Okay.
Am I being detained or am I free to go? You have to release me. You have to release me from detainment. You have to release me from detainment. It's not up for me to make a decision whether or not I understand something. It's up to you to release me from my detainment. Am I being detained or am I free to go? Thank you, sir. I don't care to hear your lip. I'm not on the sidewalk. How's that?
Have a good day.
It makes a little more sense now why cops are always strung out on getting ID. It's a tactic being used by the Secret Service. But there's so much wrong with how this cop conducted his so-called investigation. This is not how law enforcement should be used per the Secret Service request. Indiana News was equipped and knowledgeable of the law. He cited an Indiana Code 342853.5, refusal to identify self, which states a person who knowingly or intentionally refuses to provide either the person's name, address, and date of birth, or driver license if in the person's possession, to a law enforcement officer who has stopped the person for an infraction or ordinance violation. See, there's the catch. Indiana News wasn't stopped for an infraction or ordinance violation. He was stopped because this baby tyrant was doing the work of the Secret Service. I wonder why the Secret Service didn't come out themselves. Maybe they're too secret, But once again, this clip proves how important it is to know your rights. Let's continue.
Is this?
Hi. Can I help you?
No, I'm good. Can I help you?
No. Why are you out here taking pictures of our city vehicles?
It's my personal business.
Okay. Well, here's the deal. You got called in as a suspicious subject. Do you have ID with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Can I see that, please?
Can I see your ID?
That is number 648, Sergeant Lopez. Can I see your ID, please?
Cool. Can I see yours?
No. Can I see your ID?
Okay. Can I see yours?
Sam, can you start me a second?
I'd like to get yours.
I'll give you mine once we're done.
Awesome.
You can record all you want. That's fine.
Oh, I know. Yeah. So
Do you have your ID with you?
I've already answered that.
Okay. What's your name?
What's your name?
Okay, here's the deal, man. I'm not going to sit here and keep playing the name game.
Okay. See you later.
So, where's your ID?
Where's your ID?
Do you have any reason to be back here video recording all these cars?
Let me see your ID, and I'll show you mine. We'll
ID is right
we'll
here.
swap them.
My ID is right here.
I'm fine with swapping
Sergeant
them.
Lopez, badge number 648.
We can swap them if you want.
No, I'm not swapping you my ID.
Oh, okay.
Where is your ID?
Yeah, I told you I got it, but
Okay,
what's the
hand me
problem?
your ID. I need to legally identify you.
Why is that?
Because you've been called out here to call for service,
Mhm.
a suspicious person.
Suspicious for what?
Recording vehicles, looking into vehicles, and taking pictures. Exactly what you're doing when I pulled up.
How is that suspicious?
Okay, you got called in. I need to identify you. Do you have your driver's license?
Well, I agree. I got called in. Is there a number for that call, by the way?
Absolutely.
What is it?
I'll give it to you once this call's over.
Okay, so yeah, I might have got called in, and I understand you want to identify me or you think you need to, but yeah, unless you show me your ID and I can see it and take a picture of it and stuff, you're probably not going to get mine. So.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your name then?
What's your name?
Do you enjoy doing this?
I'm not the one who came up to you, bud. Do you enjoy doing it?
Absolutely, I do.
Oh, okay. Well, cool.
I enjoy dealing with compliant people.
Awesome. Cool.
I enjoy dealing with compliant people.
Awesome. Awesome.
The background.
And why would I have to be compliant?
So here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Okay.
You said that a lot of times. You say that a lot?
Yeah,
awesome.
because you're not quite understanding.
Awesome.
so
Is your cam on?
It sure is.
Doesn't.
Just
Oh,
like your
oh, I
camera's
see
on.
it. I see it red now. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see it at first. Okay, cool. Here's the deal. Is that pepper spray right there?
No, it's not.
What is it? Mace or something?
No.
Extra clip? Wouldn't you have an extra clip on
Do
your
you-
other side though?
Enjoy taking pictures?
I'm just trying to figure out what you got on you. What kind of knife is that?
It's just a pocket knife.
Cool. What
Okay,
kind
so
though?
do you
is
have
it like
your
a
ID?
good? Is it a good brand?
Do you have your ID?
Is the knife a good brand?
Do you have your ID?
I'm asking a question. Is the knife
No,
a good brand?
You're not asking questions. We're asking questions.
I'm just asking
Okay.
you a question. What's the problem? I'm just asking if the knife is a good brand.
great brand.
I like knife. I'm into knives, so
Okay.
I like brands
knives
like
on you?
Benchmade and stuff like that. You know what I
Do
mean?
you have a knife on you?
Do you? How many
sure
do
do.
you have on you? How many knives you got on you? What's your name?
Officer Johnson, sir.
You got a badge number?
601.
Awesome. So.
Thanks for contact.
See you later.
Well, I don't want him recording what's in our back lot or recording. Here. Can I talk to you? Hey, stay with
Cool.
this guy right here.
I'll talk with you guys.
Here, just stay right here for me, please.
Am I being detained?
Just stay right here.
Am
for
I
me.
being detained?
Just stay right here. For
Answer the question. Am I being detained?
No.
Okay,
But
if I'm
don't
not
go
being
there.
detained, I can go over here.
Do me a favor.
I'm not
Stay
being
back over
detained. I
here.
can move anywhere I want. What's your
Do
name?
me a favor.
Name and badge number? I'm
No,
not doing
656.
I'm not doing you any favors.
Is there anything we can help you find today, sir?
There we go. I get some light on this one.
All right, sir. Is there anything we can help you with?
I was trying to figure out what kind of knife that
Is
is.
there anything we can help you with?
I'm trying to figure out what kind of knife that is.
I don't need to tell you what kind of knife it is.
Well, I'm just asking. Do
Okay,
you
well, I'm
mind
not gonna
telling
tell
me?
you.
You're not going to tell me?
No, I'm not going to tell you. So if
All
there's
right.
anything else we can help you with, you
Are
guys.
you this aggressive all the time?
No,
Damn.
I'm not this aggressive. I'm
What?
just speaking with you. But
You're-
if there's nothing else we
I
can help you
feel
with,
aggression.
you can get on
There-
your way.
There's a lot of aggression.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a good night, sir.
I agree. You can get on your way.
Hey, get out of my car.
I'm not in your car, bud.
92.
Cool.
So that was a sergeant. Hey, what was your name again? You didn't tell me. I need your name. Name. Clown. Okay. Holy shit. This dude came and was aggressive as hell and was like, give me your, what's your name, ID, and da-da-da.
So this cop stated they had a call for a suspicious person because Bay Area Transparency was recording into vehicles. Keep in mind, he was on public property. And if you're in the state of California, California Penal Code 148G states that photographing or recording law enforcement does not constitute resisting or obstructing a police officer as long as the officer is in a public place or the person with the camera has the right to be there. So this means you have the right to film or photograph in public. But if you're not in the state of California, of course, we have the First Amendment, which states we have the freedom of press, and we have several Supreme Court cases that has ruled that we have the right to film police officers. And we have several Supreme Court cases that says we have the right to film in public places. Furthermore, police officers have no authority to unlawfully detain or identify a citizen when there hasn't been a crime committed. This is because the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects people from unreasonable searches and seizures. A police officer cannot detain someone or demand identification without reasonable suspicion that the person has committed a crime. This information may seem redundant to some, but keep in mind we have new viewers every single day. So with that in mind, if a cop tries to detain you or demand identification without reasonable suspicion, you should refuse to comply by asking the cop what's their reasonable articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime, are committing a crime, or about to commit a crime. It's important to put them on notice that they're trying to violate your Fourth Amendment right. And if the cop continues to press the issue, request the supervisor. No matter if you think it's that serious or not, you should be recording the encounter because things can happen fast. You need an official record just in case you need it in court, so you won't have to rely on the police officer's body-worn camera. Let's continue.
What's up? What?
Breaking City Code Ordinance.
How? I'm protesting.
City Code Ordinance 402.
I'm protesting. You can't make a crime out of the First Amendment. What ordinance am I breaking?
Okay, you can look at it if you would like. Do you have any identification on you?
Well, what's the ordinance? I need to know the ordinance that I'm committing first.
1402.
And what is that?
Do you have any identification on you?
What crime did I commit? This is a civil. This is civil. This is not criminal. This is civil, correct? Is it civil or is it criminal?
Listen to what he's telling you. You violated City Code Ordinance 14-2 because of the use of the bullhorn, okay? You can stand out here and talk all you want and use your sign, do whatever you want, but you can't use the bullhorn. It's in the statute right here, 14-2. So, he's asking you for an ID. Do you have one or not?
I have a question before I present any ID. Is it a criminal offense or is it a civil offense?
It's a City Code violation.
And is that civil or criminal? It's a simple question. Civil? Civil? Thank you. So it's not criminal. That means I've not committed a crime. So what is your reasonable cause of suspicion for the ID then? Wait, didn't we talk on when?
No, I've never talked to you.
No, not you then. I don't know who it was.
So civilly, okay, it rules that you have to abate it, which means cease it. Okay?
Correct.
So if we have to come out here again, you're getting a $100 fine.
Okay.
And if you refuse to stop the bullhorn, you will be arrested for obstruction.
Obstruction?
Yes.
But it's protesting. You can't make...
No, ceasing? No. It'd be ceasing the orders. We respect your protest right.
Clearly not. But when the pro-choicers were out here, you didn't but give them this.
That's not true. I was not even here for that.
A bunch of y'all's chief was out here.
Listen, Lewis.
Davis, I believe.
Lewis.
How do you know my name?
Because I know you from 2 weeks ago when you were here, or 3
So I thought we didn't talk though.
I didn't talk, but I'm paid to know people, okay? So I know who you are because we have to address complaints we receive.
So if you know who I am, then why are you asking me for my ID?
Because I don't know who you are.
He just said it.
I don't remember your full name. I just remember somebody's first name. That's it. Okay. We respect your ability to protest.
Clearly.
We respect your sign. We respect that. Okay. The thing is, when we get a complaint and the use of the bullhorn, and then we witnessed it, we had to do it.
The pro-choices were out here 2 weeks ago with bullhorns.
I can't address that, sir.
Oh, but you won't give them a noise ordinance when they were making a crap ton of noise, but I have to get addressed.
Well, do you understand the 14-2?
But why didn't... So this is malicious. This is malicious.
Lewis, look, Google City of Punta Gorda ordinances, look that up and you'll see it.
It's clearly unconstitutional. And
Do you have an ID on you or not?
What's the crime I committed? What crime did I commit?
You do not have an ID on you?
I didn't say that. Don't put words in my mouth. What crime did I commit?
Are you going to provide an ID?
What crime did I commit? Answer me what crime I've committed, and I'll present an ID. If you can say at Florida statute that I have violated,
Lewis,
which is a crime,
you have violated.
It's civil. That's civil, correct?
Lewis? Okay, so is speeding. Okay.
Traffic is different from
Lewis,
civil.
Lewis, they're both civil. Okay. All right. We're done. Okay. You understand that the bullhorn is not longer allowed use. Okay. If you want to fight it in the code board. Okay.
Oh, the kangaroo court, right?
Okay. It's up to you. All right. Have a good day. You confirm.
Nope, because I didn't commit any crime.
Lewis, have a good day.
Committed no crime.
Hey, talk to your buddy. He wants to talk to you.
Okay, and he can wait, and I'll address him.
Lewis, we agree with good discord. Okay.
Clearly not. I have the right to protest.
Can you just listen to me? Okay. This has nothing to do with your sign or your ability to protest.
Clearly it does, because I'm using this as an instrument of protest. True or not true?
No.
So I'm not using this to protest. I'm not using this to get my message, right?
Okay. Unless you get a permit from the city for that.
So I have to have a permit to exercise the constitutional right.
No, to use a bullhorn to disrupt other people.
It's a protest. You cannot make a crime out of the First Amendment.
I'm not. It's a civil infraction. Take it to the board.
I will be taking it to the board. Fucking pigs.
Once again, the First Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees the right to freedom of speech and assembly, which means protest. Citizens have the right to gather together and express their opinions, even if those opinions are unpopular. In the case Brandenburg v. Ohio, the Supreme Court ruled that the First Amendment protects even speech that is hateful or offensive as long as it does not incite imminent lawless action. Protests are a form of protected speech, and police officers cannot stop citizens from protesting simply because they disagree with the message of the protest. Doing so undermines the very foundation of our democracy. A democracy is based on the principle of the government by the people, for the people. When police officers try to silence we the people, they are essentially saying that the government is not accountable to the people. This could lead to even more of a loss of trust with police officers, and it can make it more difficult for the government to address important issues. Also, stopping citizens from protesting can have a chilling effect on free speech. When people know they can be harassed and arrested for protesting, they are less likely to speak out about important issues. Let's continue.
Personal vehicles. You know what I mean? Huh. Look who it is. Look who it is. I got business to take care of here.
Okay, well go take care of your business for me.
I'm trying to do that now. But you're not being very polite. I need to report a crime. Can you do that for me? Lieutenant? Lieutenant. Yeah, okay. Public safety, you know, we don't want you police officers running around here with, you know, bad tires and stuff like that.
So what crime you want to report today, Mr. Soper?
Are you recording me,
Officer
Ferrar?
Yes, Lieutenant Ferrar. Yes, sir, I am.
It's officer to me.
All right.
You don't deserve the rank of lieutenant.
Okay, what crime you want to report today, sir?
A theft.
A theft of what?
Well, I can't report it to you.
You don't want to report it to me?
No, because you're the criminal.
I'm the criminal. Okay.
Right. You're the person who stole my phone from an innocent woman.
Okay.
You literally threatened her with arrest if she didn't do what you told her to do.
Okay.
So I need to report the crime of theft over because, well, you know, the phone's pretty expensive.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
and you didn't have it. And you didn't have
You can get your phone back after.
When can I do that?
When it goes to trial.
When it goes to trial. But here, let me ask you something, Lieutenant. You said you needed the phone for evidence, right? You needed that phone for evidence, right?
I'm not at liberty to discuss.
But you needed it for evidence. Why'd you take it then?
I'm not at liberty to discuss your case.
Why'd you take my phone?
You can go through your attorney.
Why'd you take my phone?
You can go through your attorney.
Don't
Talk to the state.
Don't erase that. Is that your personal? Is that your personal phone?
Don't.
Is that your personal phone?
Not your concern.
Is that your personal phone?
Not your concern.
It's not?
That is not your concern. No, sir.
Really?
That is not your concern. Like I said, I'm not at liberty to discuss your personal case.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You have a criminal
proceeding
coming up.
Why are you out here? Then why the are you out here?
Because we got a report of you walking through the parking lot looking at cars, looking at windows.
And that's a problem?
Yes, it is.
How's that a problem?
Yes, it is.
How's that a problem?
I'm just letting you know.
I mean, am I breaking the law? Is that me breaking the law? You gonna arrest me again for something that I didn't do? Huh?
So you don't want to report the crime to me?
I'm not reporting it to you because that is a conflict of interest. I need to report a theft. So I suggest you get your supervisor involved, and so I can report the theft. Okay. Okay? Right. Get your supervisor. All right. Get your supervisor.
You have a good day. What you driving?
What do you mean? What do you mean have a good day? You're not gonna take my complaint?
You just told me you didn't want me to take my complaint.
You can't take your own complaint, you fucking dummy. What the hell is wrong with you? You can't take your own goddamn complaint.
Hey, listen, you have a good day, Mr. Soper, okay?
Are you? So you're not gonna do it?
You can go in and talk to the major if you like.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
You can go in and talk to the major if you like.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yep. Let's do it.
Go ahead.
Oh no, after you.
After you, sir.
Oh no, after you. Oh no, you're too pretty. You're too pretty to go behind me.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's walk.
No. Okay.
So, Mr. Soper.
Lieutenant, I need to speak to your supervisor. You going to get him out of here or not?
Mr. Soper, at this point, you need to call your attorney and let him know it's an active case. He's aware of it. It's an active case.
Wait a minute. My
Your turn.
report of a crime is not even active yet because you haven't taken the report.
Because it's not a theft.
Do you have internal affairs here? Do you have internal affairs throughout the VA police department?
At this time, you need to go.
At this time, you need to answer my questions, Lieutenant. Period.
Listen to me.
Do you have internal affairs?
I haven't cussed at you.
Well, you're starting to piss me off.
I haven't cussed at you.
Well,
I haven't disrespected you. All I'm telling you is you need to go and talk to your attorney.
No, I need to
go through everything.
I need to speak to internal affairs. I need to speak to internal affairs.
In reference to this case.
I want information on internal affairs now. I want phone numbers. Lieutenant, now. I want it now. I'm here for information. You're going to give it to me. You're going to give it to me.
Anything in reference to this
I also need to make a Freedom of Information Act request.
That goes down to 361.
What are you talking about?
You want to make a FOIA request. That goes through 361.
Who?
Release of information.
Can you give me the information?
I just gave it to you. 361. Go to building 361. Listen to me.
Not allowed in 361, you big dummy. You banned me.
All right, listen.
God, what is wrong with you?
Listen.
You banned me from the hospital. I'm not allowed to go there. You need to give me the information.
This conversation is over. Okay?
Give me the information, Lieutenant, now.
Go through your attorney. Go through your attorney.
Do you have internal affairs?
Go through your attorney.
Do you have internal affairs?
Have a good day.
I don't copy. I'm still lost.
All right.
Still lost, Lieutenant. Still need help. I need help. See what they do? And clowns.
Yes, I know I just threw y'all into a clip that you may not know nothing about. That's why it's important to use the link in the description to go check out the Angry Vet channel and get updated on the situation. However, this lieutenant just made a fool of himself. He should know that he can't take a complaint on himself. That's just common sense. Hey, that's why we're displaying clips with cops with low IQs. Or is that every clip? Anyways, it just baffles me how unintelligent you have to be to actually be hired with these departments. And you have to have special talents in that department of unintelligence to make it to lieutenant. So I'm happy we was able to highlight this cop and show off his true skills. So to the Angry Vet, good luck with everything you're going through, and I hope you get the situation resolved ASAP. Let's continue.
Sir, is everything okay?
Yeah, why wouldn't it be?
Well, you're walking out recording everything in these buildings and stuff. I don't think that's a good idea because it's a safety issue for them. We don't even let a lot of pictures.
Am I breaking the law?
Well, they don't allow pictures to be taken of them and stuff because it's structural.
Okay, but that would be their policy, right?
Yes, that's their policy, and probably one of the supervisors may come out and tell you to stop filming their building.
Yeah, I won't do that.
Okay.
It's a First Amendment right, and I'm just
yes,
walking
sir,
around, been walking all around the city recording stuff,
Yeah, I understand.
and you know how that is. They don't pay me to follow their policy, so I won't do it. If they want me to put me on the payroll to follow their policy, I'll be more than happy to follow their policy. And I'm an executive, so they've got to pay me pretty good.
Okay, I understand that.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Well, let me have your name. What is your
No,
name?
I'm not giving that.
Well, my name's Detective Hunter.
Detective
Charlotte
Hunter.
Police. Yes, sir. And what's your name?
I'm not giving my name.
Why aren't you giving your name?
Because I have a Fourth Amendment right not to. What's your badge number?
It's 665.
665?
Yes, sir.
And you're basically telling me that I can't record here.
You can't record their buildings. No, sir.
I can't do this here?
That is their property, sir.
Is this their property right here?
No, sir. This is public, but this is their private property.
And anything I can see, I can record.
Well, sir, you can record it, but it's a safety issue for them. I know they won't take anything inside the structures. They don't like people taking pictures.
Did I go inside?
No, sir. You're not inside.
Okay. Then what's the problem?
Sir, I'm just telling you that do not go inside their property.
Did I go in their property?
No, sir, you didn't, but your camera
Then why do you
did.
tell me not to go in there?
Your camera did.
No, my camera's been right here.
Well, sir, you've been viewing the inside of the property. You walked all the way down in front of the structure there.
Yeah. I can't look there. Do I have to close my eyes when I turn my head that way?
Videoing too?
Yeah.
Okay, well, they don't like that to be done.
I don't care what they like, actually.
Okay.
Anything I can see, I can record.
Yes, sir, you can.
Yes, see? There you go. You even admit I can, but you're telling me not to.
Sir, you can't record inside their structure.
If I can see in there, I can record. If I can see in there, I can record.
Okay.
G4S.
And you do not have the authority to take a picture of me, sir. I'm telling you, you don't have the authority to take a picture of me. I'm telling you, you cannot.
I'm on public property. You're in public.
Okay, well,
You have no expectation of privacy in public.
So you can't film me, Jay.
Why not?
You can't film me.
Are you in public?
It's private property. You can't film me.
This is private property. You just said this is private property.
This is public here, but the
This is
building
public.
is theirs.
Building. I'm pointing to the building.
Okay, the building. If I can stand out here on public and I can see that building, I can record it.
Yeah, you can stand
That's-
out here. You just can't.
And I can record.
You can't record me or my officers.
Yeah, I can record anybody I can see in public.
Yeah, you right here. You good?
Yeah, so you just told me I can't do it, but then you tell me I can if I'm in public. If I can see this building, I can record it. Now, if you want to build a wall around it so I can't see it, then I can't record it. Now, that gentleman right there, he knows. We've talked before. That guy right there, he knows perfectly well. I got another video of him. That's why he ain't coming over here saying anything. He knows. You can talk to this gentleman right here. This gentleman knows what he's talking about. I've talked to him before. He knows what he's talking about. He knows the law.
In the case Alvarez v. Smith, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that the First Amendment protects the right of citizens to film government buildings from public property. The court found that the government cannot prohibit photography of its buildings and grounds simply because it may reveal sensitive or confidential information. This case makes it clear that the right of citizens to film public buildings is protected by the First Amendment. When police officers try to stop people from filming, they are violating their constitutional rights. This type of behavior from law enforcement can discourage people from exercising their First Amendment right to freedom of press. Keep in mind, one of the best ways to hold government officials accountable is to film them in public, and that also includes their buildings. Even though she didn't press the issue, this can lead to the abuse of power by police officers, and if police officers are allowed to stop people from filming their public buildings, this can create a climate of fear and make it difficult to hold our public officials accountable.
There's the snitches. Can't hear you, ma'am. You gotta get a little closer.
What's going on?
We got these nice cameras for Christmas. We figured we'd go out there and start recording. I need your name and badge number.
Why is that?
I can't hear you.
I said, why is that?
Ain't you supposed to tell a citizen when they ask for it? Ain't that your policy? It's not in your policy.
Okay.
So are you afraid to give it to me?
No, I don't care about doing that. But I mean, that's just one of the first things you said to me. I don't care about giving you it.
Okay.
But no, I was just gonna let you know.
So can I get your name?
I will give it to you.
Okay.
I just wanted to let you know why we were here first. Okay. So,
Why you were here?
Yeah, we were called out here.
It's really suspicious that you are here.
Yeah. I don't know why y'all here. Why are y'all here?
Because we're not doing anything wrong.
No,
it looks suspicious for you to show up like this.
We were called here, so that's why I was trying to explain to
Well,
you
of course you was.
why we were here.
Yeah.
Well, it's be a very simple and easy
But ma'am, do you think we're that stupid where we don't know why you here? Really?
Well, I was gonna say what I had to say.
No. Do you think we're that? I mean, do I look like I'm uneducated because I'm out here with a camera?
I never said that.
What?
I never said that.
Okay, then we should know why you're here, right? Okay. And your glasses keep fogging up. That's bothering you, ain't it? That's crazy. Anyway, can I get your name and badge number? 646? 20646. Yeah, if you got a card, that'd be great too.
I support them 100%.
Yeah, I support good police, not bad police. What did you just say?
Don't go on their
property. Well, have we been on their property?
Not sure.
Okay, so shouldn't you find out that? Did you talk to these guys?
I'm just advising you.
Yeah, well, I already know. I already know not to trespass.
I don't know your number.
You know what I'm saying? So, do I look like I don't know what I'm doing? I'll ask you the same question I asked her.
I don't offer my opinion, sir.
You don't have one?
I don't offer my opinion.
Oh, you don't offer it? Well, I asked it, so it's really not. Anyway. Have us trespass from what property?
Their property.
How are we going to be trespassed? We ain't even been on their property.
You can be trespassed if you're not on their property.
Doubt it.
Correct.
Doubt it. You can verbally trespass me all day long. I don't care about that.
Correct. That's what it'll be. We're not accusing you of having trespassed on their property. We're just going to take care of if you go on their property.
Well, why would we want to go on their property, though? Really?
Sure. I don't know.
If I hadn't been on it already, what makes you think I would want to go on it after y'all leave?
Get that taken care of while we're out here.
So you're gonna solicit a trespass? Is that what you're doing?
That's illegal.
You're gonna solicit a trespass? That is soliciting a trespass. You get that, right? Do we look uneducated?
I'm sorry, sir. Can you let me speak?
No, because you're full of bullshit. That's why, because you can't solicit a trespass. Well, you can talk to him all day long. I don't give a Well, where I get pissed off and where I don't want to hear nothing y'all got to say is when you try to do stupid shit.
Okay.
Like solicit a trespass. Really. And you feel good about that.
I do, yes,
You're going to sleep well tonight, right? That's because you don't give a flying fuck. That's why. You don't care. You don't care about the citizen. Because if you did, you'd be like, well, I'm sure you hadn't been on their property. Well, we're going to talk to these people and let them know that you got a legal right to stand out here on public property all day long.
Well, I'm not even sure how much of this
Then you should have investigated. You should have done some research. We already know where the property lines are at.
Preliminary research.
We already know where the property lines are at.
And you can get copies of this.
I don't need a copy taken, sir.
Yeah, I know, because he don't care.
I'm here for.
Your job is to solicit trespass illegally.
My job is to come out and enforce the law.
Your job is to force the law, exactly. We hadn't broken any law, so how are you going to put a trespass on us then? Huh? Think about that. Think about that. And shouldn't that officer right there, was that your vehicle in the back or hers? Was that yours or hers?
Yes.
You should have the lights on.
That's right. They're trying to solicit trespass. That's what they're trying to do. I want somebody from Amazon to come down here so I can tell them what to do.
They might come down and talk to you, but we don't need to hang around.
So you're not soliciting the trespass after all?
If they don't want to come down and talk to you guys, there's nothing we can do.
Right. There you go.
Y'all have a good rest of your day. We'll see you before long.
Yeah.
let's talk about what a trespass is. A trespass is when someone enters or remains on someone else's property without permission. In order for a trespass to be illegal, the person who is trespassing must have been told to leave and they must have refused to do so. So now let's talk about what happens when a police officer asks a business to trespass someone. When a police officer does this, they are essentially asking the business to give them permission to arrest someone who has not broken any laws. And this is a clear violation of the citizen's Fourth Amendment right to be free from unreasonable search and seizures. But why do officers do this, you may ask? Well, sometimes they do it because they're lazy or they don't want to do the work investigating whether or not someone actually has committed a crime. Other times they do it because they're trying to harass or intimidate you. Whatever the reason is, it's important to remember police officers cannot solicit trespasses. So if you're working in the business and you're ever asked to trespass someone by a police officer, just politely decline. You have the right to refuse and you should not be afraid to do so. So big shout out to NC Tyrant Hunter for always standing up for his rights and putting these tyrants in their place.
Videotaping the police department's not a good idea.
Why? You guys are friendly people.
We are, but why are we doing this?
Why wouldn't we?
Because it's a security issue for us.
Is it?
It is.
I don't think so.
It is.
It's public property.
It is public property, but when you start recording our perimeter and our gates and what our activities are, it's a concern to us.
I've only been here for about 15 minutes.
Right. We had officers that drove by and saw you pulling out of here, walking out of here, and said that you were recording them as they left.
I did.
Yeah, and that's an issue. Why are we doing that?
I don't have to have a reason.
You don't have a reason?
I don't have to have one.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license I can see?
I don't.
What is your name?
I'm not going to give that to you.
You're not going to give it to me?
No. Why would I give it to you? I haven't done anything wrong.
Well, you're recording our property, you're recording our building.
Sure.
And it's a security issue for us.
Am I being detained?
You are.
Okay.
Until I can get you identified.
And what's your reasonable,
because I want to make sure that you're not
suspicion?
doing something that's a problem for our law enforcement community.
So in order to detain somebody, you have to have a law that you're investigating, correct? So what law do you suspect me of breaking?
Are you looking to create a problem here for us? Or
No, not at all. I'm being polite and cordial.
I'm being polite and cordial too, so I'm asking for
your
your
name
and date of birth so we can identify you.
I don't need to.
And be on our way.
Why would I need to identify myself?
Because I'm asking you to identify yourself.
What's your name and badge number?
My name is Todd Hines. My badge number is 200.
Okay. Your name and badge
We're
number?
recording you just like you're recording
Good.
us.
Okay, good.
So.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'd like to be on my way to go. I mean, you have to have
so are
reasonable...
you refusing to identify yourself?
Well, there's no need to.
3916, can we get...
Are you a supervisor? Okay. You just called for a supervisor?
I did.
Very good. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you bet.
I don't have any ill will. I'm not here to hurt anybody.
So
I'm not
what's the problem
armed.
with identifying yourself?
I don't need to.
You don't need to?
No, it's my right to not.
Oh, so you're looking to create problems is what you're doing?
No, you're just accusing me of that.
Absolutely, because you're refusing to identify yourself.
That's not against the law.
It's obstructing legal process if we have a reason to ask you.
What's your reason? I've asked you to
identify you. I just told you.
No, but I asked you.
You're recording our property.
I have to identify myself. Correct, and I have to identify myself. If you have a reasonable, articulable suspicion. And what is that?
You're looking to create problems, is what you're doing.
Is that what I'm doing? By just filming and exercising my First Amendment rights?
That is my opinion, yes.
Okay, well, the good thing is the law doesn't go off your opinion.
But it does when you're obstructing our requests.
You can't, you can request, right? But it's not a lawful order.
It is a lawful order at this point.
And
as soon as my sergeant gets up here, he's going to tell you the same thing.
Okay.
Okay? But you're not free to leave. You are correct.
I'm not going anywhere. No, I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not like that.
All right. Well, that's fine. So what's the problem with identifying yourself?
I just don't.
You don't have to.
I just don't need to.
You don't need to.
Yeah, I haven't broken any laws, and you just said you...
Nope, nobody said you broke any laws. I just said that your activity is suspicious to us.
Okay, and is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Listen, it's a concern for our safety and our welfare.
And I'm not here to do any ill will. I've told you that.
We don't know that.
I've told you that.
You could be, who knows?
Well, sure, but I mean, anyone going by here. Do you think I would be out in the open, just in the middle of daylight?
You're not recording our activities.
It's the middle of the daylight. I'm not hiding anything. I've literally hid nothing.
Believe me, people commit crimes in the middle of the daylight too.
Fair enough. Well, like I said, you're not accusing me of anything, which I get, and I appreciate you saying that. But that even more so just says that I don't have to identify myself. It's my First Amendment to film public officials doing what they do.
We'll see what the sergeant has to say here when he gets here. This gentleman's got a First Amendment right, he says, to videotape our activities around the police department, and is refusing to identify himself so that we know who we're dealing with.
Okay, you don't want to identify yourself? Well, I don't need to. He said he doesn't suspect me of a crime or anything, and I'm just
asking.
No, but no, sir, I don't.
Just asking. Okay, we're good. Let's go.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
My name's John, by the way. Thanks. Take care, guys.
Cooperation.
What's that?
Cooperation.
Sergeant, what was your name and badge number?
Sergeant Native, badge number 239.
Thank you, sir. You have a good day.
As we can see, it's the reason this older cop doesn't have any stripes. The first thing out his mouth is,
video in the police department isn't a good idea.
Well, the Supreme Court recognized that it's a good idea to film police officers because it fosters transparency and accountability. Also, when Rowdy asked if he was being detained, the officer said,
yes, you're being detained because I want to make sure you're not doing something that's a problem for our law enforcement community.
Since when was that a crime to detain someone? I can't stress how important it is to learn your constitutional rights. This short clip teaches you everything you need to know. So let's go over it.
I need your ID.
Why? I haven't committed a crime.
You're detained.
In order to detain someone, you must have a law that you're investigating. So what law are you investigating? And then the cop will make it seem like you're trying to create a problem, and that's when you just request their supervisor. Simple. Let's continue.
Don't record me on that. Can't do that, sir.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good.
Anything we can help you with?
No, I'm just wondering why they're being bothered.
Can't record
Got a call that they're soliciting people.
Are they? Is that what it is? It's just a big, okay.
We have a city ordinance that says you can't panhandle, and people are asking for money. It's called panhandling.
All right. I don't know if they're panhandling. I'm just here making sure that everything's all good.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm a cop. I'll make sure everything's all good.
I know. I'm making sure that you're all good.
I am all good.
Okay. I'm just making sure they're not being harassed.
No, I'm not harassing anybody.
All right,
They're harassing patrons going in asking them for money. It's called panhandling.
All right.
Okay.
What's your name? Officer, what's your name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
Or your ID number?
Do you have your ID?
No, sir. What's your ID?
Okay, what's your ID?
Well, I have it, but I'm going to give it.
I need your ID.
I want a Beeson.
I have your, what's your ID?
I'm not doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You asked me for my ID. I have the right to ask you for your ID.
You have the right to ask. I have the right to decline.
I do have your right.
You're a public servant. That's why
when
I'm
I
asking.
asked for your ID, you're refusing to give me your ID.
That's where reasonable, articulable suspicion.
Excuse me?
Reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime.
Do you have your ID?
Do you have reasonable? If you have that, I'll give you everything you want.
Do you have your ID? I just gave you my ID.
I don't answer questions.
So why don't you give me your ID?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Why don't you give me your ID?
You state a crime I'm accused of committing, and I'll give you everything you want.
Okay.
But until then, I'm a free citizen.
I'm just asking you for your ID.
Well,
and I have the right to ask you for your ID since you asked me for mine.
You have the right to ask. That's for sure.
Okay.
You start threatening me with arrest.
I didn't ask you. I didn't say you were being under arrest, did I?
No, you start threatening me with arrest.
Then why don't you continue on?
This is a public library.
It is public.
Huh? I'm doing my thing.
Good. I'm glad you are.
I'm just making sure that citizens ain't being harassed is all. If you're not harassing
me.
If you're not harassing them, then that's all good. But if you are, I'm just making sure.
Why are you harassing me?
I just want to know your name.
Why are you harassing me?
I just wanted to know your name.
Why are you harassing me?
I'm here for them.
They know me personally.
That's great. I'm just making sure they're not being harassed, and that's
I'm
it.
not harassing them.
Then you have nothing to worry about.
Why are you harassing me?
I just wanted to know your name.
Why are you harassing me?
I wanted to know your name. I just answered your question.
I told you that.
You said Beeson?
I did answer your question.
What is your employment ID number? What is your employment ID number?
I don't have an ID number.
You have no other way but other than Beeson.
I don't have an ID number.
No employment number ID.
No, I don't.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Don't violate anybody's rights today.
I don't ever violate anybody's rights, but you're violating
I hope
mine.
not. How so? How you figure?
I told you, you're violating mine.
Remember, you gotta have thick skin to be a cop.
I do have thick skin. That's why I am a cop.
Well, good. I hope you stay a good cop and don't be harassing. I'm just standing up for the citizens' rights.